Good morning everybody. As we all know that the sum of four angles of any quadrilateral is always equal to 360 degree. Today the students of class 9th standard are going to demonstrate the same with the help of this class 9th standard Gaware of class 9th standard. They will demonstrate the properties of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is rectangle, the second quadrilateral is kite, and the fourth quadrilateral is parallelogram. Whichever may be the quadrilateral, but the property always holds good. The property is the sum angle property of any quadrilateral is always equal to 360 degree. Now Krishna Kaude, just show me how you are going to demonstrate that sum of four angles of this rectangle is 360 degree.
This is angle A.
Okay.
This is angle B.
Okay.
This is angle D. And this is angle C.
Okay, fine.
When you put all on this, we get 360 degree.
Put and show it. Show it to me. See here, these four angles are added together, and when we put it on a circle, we are going to get 360 degree. That means sum of the four angles of this rectangle is equal to 360 degree. Now can you try in case of kite?
There is four angles P, Q, R, S. We take all four angles.
This is P, okay.
This is P, this is S, this is Q, and this is R.
Okay.
When we add
now,
them, we get circle of 360 degree.
You put and show there. You can put it and show it to me. Okay. Put it properly, actually, so that. Okay. Now you can see here. Here is a kite. P, Q, R and S. Represent angle P, this represent angle Q, this represent angle R, and this represent angle S. Now when we are putting it these angles, holding these triangles together, we can see clearly that sum of the four angles is equal to 360 degree. Okay. Now Krishna Kaude do the same property in case of parallelogram whose angles are 1, 2, 3 and 4.
Sir, this is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3, and this is angle 4. When we put it on the circle, we get that the sum is 360 degree.
Put it and show. Okay. So as you all can see here, angles 1, 2, 3 and 4. Angles 1, 2, 3 and 4. When they are put together, we are again going to get whether it's a rectangle, whether it's a kite, whether it's a parallelogram, all of them represent a quadrilateral. And when you add all the four angles of any quadrilateral, the sum is always equal to 360 degree. To see what happens when the four angles of a square, rhombus and trapezium are added.
Angle A, this is angle B, this is angle C, and this is angle D. When we add this angle, we will get 360 degree.
Let's show it.
This is angle A, B, C,
Now what you can see here is, Gaware has done is, he has cut the four angles of the square ABCD, and after cutting he has placed it over a circle. Now when you place these four angles here, you are going to get a complete circle. and when we are getting complete circle, it means that it's equal to 360 degree. So the property that we understood is sum of 4 angles of a square is always equal to 360 degree. You can start.
This is rhombus. When we can get the P side, this is side R,
Angle R.
angle R. This is angle S. This is angle P, and this is angle Q. When we add the all angles, when we get circle.
So what he wants to say is, he has taken the angle P, you can see here, then you can see here angle Q is kept here, then angle R is placed on the besides that, and angle S is placed here. Now when we place all these 4 angles from the rhombus PQRS, this angle plus this angle plus this angle plus this angle is equal to a complete circle. The sum of 4 angles is equal to a complete circle. That means what? The sum angle property of rhombus says that sum of 4 angles is always equal to 360 degree.
So the XYZ is the trapezium. This is angle W. This is angle X. This is angle Z. And this is angle Y. Sum of all 4 angles is 360 degree.
So you can see here again, once again, he has taken the trapezium WXZY. The angles W, X, Y and Z, they are cut and they are placed on a circle. And when they are placed on a circle, they completely coincides with the circle. That means what? The sum of 4 angles of a quadrilateral is always equal to 360 degree. So whether it's a square, whether it's a rhombus or whether it's a trapezium, in all the 4 cases you can see that the sum of 4 angles is equal to 360 degree.